Today I stand before you to speak about a crime that wears the mask of tradition, child, early and forced marriage. हमसे ये ना कहा जाए कि हम खामोश नहीं, जब मासूम बचपन को दुल्हन बनाकर सूली पर चढ़ा दिया जाए। हमसे ये ना कहा जाए कि हम खामोश रहें, जब किताबों की जगह इसके हाथों में चूनियां थमा दी जाएं। हमसे ये ना कहा जाए कि हम खामोश रहें, जब इसकी हंसी को आंसुओं में बदल दिया जाए और उसके ख्वाबों को जिंदा दफन कर दिया जाए। हमसे ये ना कहा जाए कि हम खामोश रहें। Do not ask me to stay silent when the pen is stolen from my fingers and our future is sealed behind the wheel of injustice. Do not ask me to stay silent when her dreams are crushed beneath the weight of injustice. Do not ask me to stay silent when her laughter turns into tear and her freedom is locked behind the doors of a house she never chose. A child. A child is meant to learn, to play, to live. But it's a pity, because for millions of children, mostly girls, that laughter is replaced by tears. That classroom is replaced by kitchen. That playground is replaced by a prison called forced marriage. Is this the world? Is this the world that we want? No. Do you know? Every second, a girl under 18 is married off somewhere in the world. Every single second. And what happens to her? She is pulled out of her school. She becomes mother when she herself needs a mother. Her health is at risk. Her dreams shattered. And what's worse, we call it culture. We call it honor. We say this is our tradition. No! There is no culture in stealing a child's future. There is no honor that justifies destroying innocence. चुप रहना अब जुर्म बन चुका है, जुर्म के आगे झुक जाना गुनाह बन चुका है। मैं देखता रहा समाज के हाथों मासूमियत की लाश उड़ती रही और लोग तालियां बजाते रहे, रस्मों का जश्न मनाते रहे, रस्मों का जश्न। I ask you, what's the price of a girl's dream? What's the price of her childhood? And the saddest part is, these girls never asked for this. They wanted books, not bangles. They wanted pencils, not responsibilities. They wanted freedom, not forced marriage. It's time we say enough is enough. It's time we break the chains of these harmful practices. It's time we give our girls the power to choose, to learn, to live. As Malala Yusuf said, we cannot all succeed when half of us are held back. Let us dream. Let us dream of a world where a girl is not forced to be a bride, but is free to be a child. Let us build a future where no girls marry too soon, where no girls' tears fall unheard. Let us be the voice they lost. Let us fight until child marriage ends forever. In the end, I would like to take a moment to thank Shifa, SPO, Save the Children and the entire Shifa team, because they didn't just guide us, they empowered us. They provided us with platforms where we can raise our voice against a crime like CEF. Thank you so very much for believing in us and giving us chance to believe in ourselves. अब खामोशी टूटेगी, अब जंजीरें बिखरेंगी, हम वो आवाज बनेंगे जो जुल्म के ऐवानों को हिला दे। क्योंकि अगर हम नहीं बोलेंगे तो कौन बोलेगा? अगर अब नहीं तो कब? अगर अब नहीं तो कब? थैंक यू सो वेरी मच।
अच्छा लगा आपको खुद से तालियां बजाते हुए सुन के। अज़ानी मोहतरम, पहले आपने कम्युनिटी के अफराद की राय, उनकी कामयाबी की कहानियां सुनी।